The HHV is a single spindle horizontal machining center available with 4 or 5 axis machining for high volume production. It handles uncut bars and extrusions of unlimited lengths. The raw material is loaded from the left side into the machine. The HHV machining center, equipped with 2 or 3 rotary tables, automatically pulls the raw material into position for machining and produces many parts from the same block of material. With speeds up to 30,000 RPM, feed rates up to 2,400 inches per minute, and an acceleration of 32 feet per square second, the HHV machining center handles all shapes of extrusions and bars. The max part cross-section for extrusions is 6 by 10 inches, and for bars, 5 by 5 inches, with options for larger bars and extrusions. Finished parts are delivered into a part catcher. Unloading can be done manually or automatically by a robot. For HHV, full automation options are available. Robot in feeders, out feeders, and complete production cells for workpiece handling. All from one source.